Welcome to Toast PE YouTube channel, directed by Coach Danzy here. And I'm going to show you a fun way to do activity with your siblings or with your parents at home during this time that we're in now, being out of school. Now today we're going to talk about bowling and how you can do it in your home. A water bottle and a tennis ball. The water bottle is plastic, so it won't break anything if it bangs into something. And the tennis ball is very bouncy and soft, so you can use those two things. Or use something even softer if you want. You get 2 rolls to try to knock down all the pins down, okay? And keep that in mind, you'll have fun, all right? If you knock them all down your first roll, that's called a strike. Then your brother, your sister, or your parent will bowl next. Now, if you roll the first roll down, you got 9 pins, you get another opportunity to try to knock that 1 pin that's still remaining. If you knock that pin down on your second roll, that's called a spare, okay? So it's gonna be the next person's turn to roll. I wanna talk to you a little bit about arithmetic that's gonna be required. Addition and a little bit of multiplication, all right? So I know we got some really smart scholars and Toast, and I know you guys are gonna handle this no problem. If Mr. Danzy rolled his first ball and got a 1, I'll put a 1 in this box. And I rolled again, and I got 2 more pins. I will put a 2 here. So 1 plus 2 equals, there you go, 3. So you put the 3 in the big box down here. The first frame, Coach Danzy rolled a 7. And the second time I rolled, I knocked down 2. So 7 plus 2 equals 9. And there you have it. You guys have fun with your family.